This question is from Algebra. Here we are given the value of x plus 1 by x as root 5 and we need to find the value of this expression. Let's see how we can find the value of this expression. First of all, we can write this expression in a different way. Let's see how. We can write this as x raised to power 7 taken common from all the three terms. We have taken x raised to power 7 common from all the three terms. So we will be left with x raised to power 4 minus 7 plus 1 by x raised to power 4. Now, why this happened? Let's see. Here we used one algebraic identity. That identity says a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Whenever two numbers with same base but different powers are multiplied, we get a result where the base is same but the powers are added. Similarly, we have one more algebraic identity in which two numbers with same base are divided and the powers are different. In that case, the base remains same, powers are minus. So we used these two algebraic identities here. Please see how. If we multiply x raised to power 7 with x raised to power 4, we will get x raised to power 11. If we multiply x raised to power 7 with negative 7, we will get negative 7 x raised to power 7. If we multiply x raised to power 7 with x raised to power 4, we will get x raised to power 3. Like this, we have used these two algebraic identities. Yes, let's see what we will do next. Next, we will be using this value of x plus 1 by x root 5 to find the value of this expression. See, if we square both the sides, x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to root 5 whole square. What we will get? Here we will be using one algebraic identity. That identity says a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will be using this algebraic identity. Now let's square both the sides using this algebraic identity. We will get x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square is equals to 5. If we solve this further, we will get x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 3. Correct? After this step, we can square both the sides again. Now, if we square both the sides again, what we will get? Let's see. X raised to power 4 plus 2 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 is equals to 9. We are using this algebraic identity again. Yes? Now, if we go further, we will get x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 is equals to 7. Yes? Please keep this in mind. We will be using this. So where we will be using this? We will be using this here. Please see x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4. What we will get in the next step? X raised to power 7. X raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 is 7. So we will get 7 minus 7. So our final answer will be x raised to power 7 times 0, which will give us 0 as our final answer. 0 will be our final answer for this expression.